Hey everyone, Kat here with Martigi Piggy, and today we are going to create this scrumptious banana split martini. Banana splits are one of America's all-time favorite desserts, and if you love them, then you're definitely going to want to create this cocktail. It includes vodka, cream de cocoa, banana liqueur, and half and half. And then we took some whipped cream and sprayed it on top, added some colored sprinkles, some cherries, and some banana slices. However, feel free to customize the top any way you wish. So check out this how-to video, and here we go. It's time to get jiggy with the piggy.